Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the Fire Stick ready and the network stable. First, update the device so apps can run correctly. Check settings My Fire TV About and install updates. Once updated, make sure your router is broadcasting a compatible band too. 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed, and know the SSID and password. Next, go to Settings Network on the Fire Stick and enable Wi-Fi. Select your SSID and enter the password. This prepares the device to access the internet reliably. Once connected, verify the link and details so apps behave predictably. You should open Settings Network, confirm the IP, gateway, and signal strength. A weak signal causes buffering. If you need custom DNS or a VPN for location or privacy, choose a reputable provider and configure the DNS in your router or install the VPN app on the Fire Stick. Make sure to authorize network permissions. Then install a browser or streaming apps from the Amazon store and allow network access. This completes the middle setup for internet use. To finish, reboot both the Fire Stick and router to clear transient errors. This often restores speed and stability. Then test browsing or a streaming app to confirm playback. If performance lags, move the Fire Stick or change the router channel to reduce interference. Make sure automatic IP, DHCP, is enabled. Static IP conflicts cause drops. If connectivity still fails, reset network settings on the Fire Stick and re-enter credentials. Troubleshooting tip: power cycle devices and check for IP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.